All right. Noah and Caitlin vlogs. Hey, we're the first one.
Sweet.
Wow.
This brings back memories.
Are you serious? Noah and Caitlin. Didn't we make this, or did you find the...
I made it. I found those, but I just added them.
Oh my gosh. 333 subscribers. You guys need to go there and hit that subscribe button right now.
It's been like that for like 3, 4, 5 years.
I know. We're probably not even going to add any more videos to this channel right now. Is that where we need to start doing our vlogs on this one? Or
I don't know.
maybe we'll just do them on my main one for now.
Yeah, maybe.
What do you guys think? Go back to the main channel or... Alright, let's see here. What video we're going to do?
The first one, obviously.
What? Wow. Are you serious?
I know, there's a lot.
And you edited like all of
I
them.
know.
Okay. First one?
Yep.
5 years ago.
Oh my gosh.
Good morning and welcome to...
Oh my gosh. Alright.
Oh my.
Alright. Y'all ready for this?
I'm
Are you-
nervous.
Are you ready? Okay, here we go.
Alright.
Day of the vlogs. I'm on my way to church where Noah works, and obviously I'm not going to film church because that'd be a little weird, but I might get a clip or two showing what
Dang.
he does there. Guess who I found?
Your black hair. Oh my gosh. We're going back on that
Might
one.
get a clip or...
Look at you. You haven't had that dark hair in a long time, huh?
Nope. Should I bring it back?
Ah, you look great. Dang.
showing what he does there. Guess who I found?
Look at you. You look gorgeous today.
You haven't changed at all.
I never really got a chance to explain what Noah does at church. He actually does the camera operating on stage. Pretty much the big screen that you see, his shots go on there. I got a couple of shots of him doing it on stage with my phone.
Where am I?
Kind of hard to see, but I wanted to give a little visual
Nope.
of what he
I didn't see you at all.
Where was I?
does.
I'm thinking I'm right here.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You're filming that.
Yeah, I was filming the baptism. That's hilarious.
Hard to see, but I wanted to give a little visual of what he does. I'm super proud of him because he spends his weekends doing that and also works 5 days a week. Technically, he works 7 days a week. Pretty great hard worker here.
So I wasn't in the crew, but Caitlin just told me
Oh geez, you remember that?
that's what it is.
From Cheyenne.
She wants me to try it. Oh my gosh. I thought I needed some milk though, so.
Thoughts?
Actually, not too bad.
So after some deliberation and aftertaste, what do you think?
Take it back out later.
For lunch today, we decided we're going to channel
Oh,
our inner
jeez.
5-year-olds and have English muffin beans.
We still
We
drink
just did that like 2
that.
weeks ago.
Right?
Do you feel like a grown up?
Oh, I'm excited. Oh my gosh.
Ben sound again. Our favorite place to get music.
Look at that creative editing.
Gosh.
Nom nom nom. 1 eternity later. Like 10 minutes.
All right.
Nice. What are you doing?
we drink iced coffee too.
You just made some
I
today.
know.
Oh my gosh.
Can you help me?
Alright, it says tear here. Oh, it actually was pretty hard.
See? I'm not crazy. I'm making us instant coffee because we're so healthy today.
Today.
We're
Wow.
exhausted.
5 years later.
We're still drinking it.
Spend $5 on
Starbucks.
per drink.
We're trying to cut back on that. So we get the cheapo little pour your own kind.
What? Oh my
Taste
gosh.
test in time.
Dang, you look sexy. I mean, you still look sexy. I'm just
Oh,
saying.
thanks.
Look at you. Wow. That's super good. Thanks, Mom.
No, it tastes like child.
Oh my god. Well, ready to go finish them
Yeah,
off?
let's go eat. Alright, you ready for this?
No.
Oh, snap.
Teeny. No!
Jeez.
Like the 5x5.
Oh my gosh, his nails you in the face. You have a print of 5 on your face.
Oh.
That's hilarious.
Wait, what? So you ready to go to the bank and Walmart?
Oh my gosh.
I missed that.
You have a print of 5 on your face.
Oh. Wait, what? So you ready to go to the bank and Walmart?
Alright.
Jeez.
So we are on our way to run some errands, but also we are converting to the dark side because
We're gonna pick up a selfie stick.
Oh my god.
It's just easier to hold the camera, and we don't want to touch the microphone, make it all noisy for you guys.
so we are in
Like they didn't know what a selfie stick
Right.
was.
Just breaking stuff over there.
Jeez.
Looking for a selfie stick.
Oh
You'd
man.
think they'd have had them everywhere, but haven't found one yet. Selfie extreme. We need that. I need that in my life. Extreme.
Oh my gosh.
That is a dope
Jeez.
hole. What do you use that for? Seriously. Looks like snorkeling or something. Jackpot!
Oh,
We
jeez.
have found the selfie sticks. Now, which one is the question? We are now proud owners of a selfie stick.
Didn't it break?
We even price matched it.
I don't think
I
so.
don't remember.
Got it cheaper.
I thought the handle was coming off.
Yeah,
Five?
Oh
probably.
my word, this is so much nicer.
You look so official. I wish you guys could see it. It looks exciting.
Yeah, I'll show you guys what it looks like.
Oh my
Can you
gosh.
see it all? Not sure.
Oh,
Where'd
jeez.
Caitlin go?
What are you doing?
I think I lost the memory card.
We just lost all of our footage we took today. And we didn't. So I wanted to take a nap in these comfy clothes to just be happy.
So I'm sure you could recognize where we are. We're in Walmart. And I'm going to show you Caitlin's favorite spot in this entire store.
I'm like,
Look at me, I'm still wearing the same shirts. Oh, back when ammo was.
Okay, confession. This is my favorite spot.
yeah. We also have to get our favorite lip product,
Jeez.
Carmex. We cannot live without it. We have like one in our bedroom.
Alright, show the camera. There's two. Two! Right next to me.
The car, one on the couch, like
I have
anywhere.
one in my book bag. We have Carmex everywhere.
We have not changed at all.
This is
Jeez.
Caitlin's favorite time of year. Oh wait, it's only, what, October still? Never mind.
Yeah, about 2 months. Okay, but really, what is stocking style? That's cute. Guess you could put more stuff in it.
Did you ever get that out?
Yes. Gosh.
We go back at slowly.
This is my favorite.
So cute.
Oh my gosh.
So pretty there.
Yeah, it is.
So we are finally back home.
It's been a long day.
Yes, it has. It's been fun though.
Yeah, no.
Enjoyed it.
It has been. And we got our nice selfie stick out of it. Yeah, but we just wanted to go and take the time right now to just kind of explain why we're doing this whole vlogging thing. And I mean, a lot of this is our family.
Real talk time.
And, I mean, I know you have some family that's far away from where we are, but
Nowhere near where your
yeah,
family is.
most of my family is like 2,000 miles away, so it's just really nice to.
Not my family's
we make
2,000 miles
our
away.
lives and,
It's crazy.
be back at home. So
Uh,
that's the main reason, pretty much.
I think another reason for me is to kind of capture our daily lives together. I mean, we've been married 6 months. We're like the baby marriage, and we're just starting out. So I think we have so much life ahead of us, and it'll be so fun to like look back and see where.
Definitely have a lot of life ahead
yeah,
of
we
us.
do.
Oh man.
It's like, oh man. You don't even know what's in store for you.
No, you don't.
Or how far we've come.
Exactly, and since the beginning of
How
our
far we've
relationship
come.
as, boyfriend, girlfriend, I mean, we've been capturing like almost every
Yeah.
moment. You know, we have a bunch of videos
4
together.
years together, we have a lot of footage, and it's really
Yeah.
fun. But it'd be awesome to see
10 years now.
of how much
Right.
we've
Quadruple the footage.
how far we've come.
Right, so
I'm getting teary-eyed, gosh. Woo.
Oh my
We're
goodness.
gonna end the vlogs here, but be sure to subscribe to follow our adventure together.
alright, see you later.
Bye.
Oh jeez.
Wow.
So crazy to watch it.
I know. That was pretty exciting. It'd be fun to do more of these.
Yeah, definitely.
But anyway, we thank you guys so much for watching.
Hopefully it
And
was fun to watch. I
Yeah.
don't know about that, but
let us know what you think.
I enjoyed it.
Yeah, for sure. Well, anyway, thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time.
Bye.